Welcome to my channel Creativity of Gayatri. Today I am going to show you how you can prepare a dream catcher by using cardboard and wool. So this one I already prepared and this is let's go to prepare. So before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification of my video. So let's start. The requirement which you need to prepare the dream catcher is a cardboard and yarn or wool. It's a compass and a glue, scissor, pencil, this beads and feather for decoration purpose. So let's start. Take a cardboard and make a circle by using compass. This is the way. I'm just making double circle because to make like a wave kind of thing, so that I can wave my dream catcher, and I cutted it with the help of scissor. And now I'm going to wrapping the yarn all over this hoop, and while you are wrapping the yarn, make sure that there is no space in between the pieces of yarn, so that it will be like look nice, and this cardboard should not be visible. So this is the way I am doing it. It will take time. Now I did it wrapping like this. You can make it tight so that this cardboard is not visible. And I cutted the rest of the yarn by using scissor. Now at the end of wrapping, I am applying glue to secure the yarn around the hoop so that it will not be loose and it should be tight. Now I am going to prepare the wave in the middle of this hoop. So I'm just waving it around the mid point of this first line of this yarn until a small circle forms in the middle. So this is the way I am preparing the wave. As you wave the wave, the circle in the middle will get smaller and smaller. This is the way how I am doing it. This is the middle point. I am tying this one. Wave the yarn until a small circle is left in the middle of the dream catcher. This is the way you can do it, so that small circle will it will be in the middle of this hoop. Make sure you should pull this yarn tight to secure the wave so that it will not looks ugly, like it should be nice. So little bit tight should be there, so this way you can tie it the way I am doing. Here just I'm showing you how you can make the wave so that it will be like easy for you to prepare it. So in this middle, first you tie all over this hoop, then you can tie in the middle part of this yarn or wool, you can say. So now my wave is ready. It's going to be ready, just I am doing it. Here my wave is ready, and for decorating purpose I threaded a bead on the middle so that it looks nice. I am taking some glue and I am applying in this yarn so that my bead will, I can, like, without help of needle also I can put this beads so easily. So this is the way I did, and now I am tying that last end of this yarn so that to secure it, it should be tied so that my, I'll take the double knot, I'll tie it with the double knot so that it will not like remove. And rest I cutted it by using scissors. So now my dream catcher is ready. Now I am going to prepare the hangings. For that reason I am taking this both green and purple yarn, and this is the feathers. I'm just segregate it to make a hanging kind of thing. So this pink and purple color I found it. I thought to take it green color, but I didn't get, so whatever I got I purchased. And here I am tying this knot here, sorry, I'm tying this one, this feathers, and I threaded some beads into this hanging. So according to your choice you can design it. I just threaded this 4 3 2 like this, so in between I give the tie so that it will not like go down. For that reason I make a gap and I did like this. This is the one kind of design I am doing it. Whatever you like you can do it. So like this I am doing it. I took 6 yarn to prepare the hangings, and all this yarn I'm just threaded these beads. So here I'm doing it this way. Here I did 3, and this green color yarn I did. Now I'm going to do this purple yarn. This purple yarn I'm just going to thread some beads as well, like the same way how I did with this green color yarn. So this is up to you how you can design here. And I already prepared one dream catcher. There I got so many beads, and I found some roses also in craft shops, so artificial rose kind of thing in aqua color. So I applied this one and I prepared already, and this one I prepared for the purpose of showing you. So first which I show you that I already prepared. In dreamcatcher, according to your choice, you can design by using so many decorative items you will get in craft shop. So this is the way I am just threading it, all these beads. So one by one I am doing it, and now I am tying this hangings, this feather yarn hangings into this dream catcher hoop to make it like a hang kind of thing. So I'm just tying the knot twice time so that it will not like loop, and at the end of this I am applying glue into it so that it will not took out. So like this I'm doing it, and it looks nice, and I'm pressing it and I let it be dry for some time. One by one I am tying it like this, all this feather, and here I am going to for hanging purpose I am just doing up also the same. I am taking this yarn and I put a bead on it. To hanging purpose I am doing this one, and I at the end I gave two knots, like twice I tied the knots, and rest part I cutted it with the help of scissor. And this the bead I put on it, and I tying it. So now my dream catcher is ready. Just simply I did it. You can decorate it with a fairy light also, it looks so attractive. So that's all. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.